Hello everyone.
We hope you're doing well, and thank you for watching. We are here in beautiful Bali, and today we will talk about how to live a very nice, fulfilling life, but a simple life. After all, we have heard many times a famous statement that there is enough in this world for everyone's need, but there's not enough for everyone's greed. So if we have a lot of people in this world who want to consume a lot more than they need, then this always results in some people not having enough. And so we are here at a very nice restaurant again today, and we just wanted to share with you some nice, healthy, delicious food. It is simple and healthy, but very tasty and beautiful presented. So the people here in Bali are very artistic. They take, great care of whatever they do, and you can see it in the presentation of the food. So here we have a dish that is called jackfruit rendang. So this is a vegan version of a popular dish in Indonesia that is made with rendang sauce, very healthy sauce with many nice spices and herbs. And so that is a jackfruit right there, and then it comes with some rice and vegetables on the side. It is very delicious. So, and it is actually a really excellent meat substitute as well. And of course, everybody can grow jackfruit themselves. Yeah, it's nice if you just have a little bit of land, especially in the tropics, warm weather. Everything and anything grows. So, the fresher our ingredients are, the more nutritious the food will be. So, and then we will look at next here at a really delicious dal soup. So, of course, we know that Bali is over 85% Hindu, so there is an influence, of course, of Indian cuisine. But when they make it here, it's not quite as spicy as in India. If you've ever been in India or tasted really spicy Indian food, wow!
When you say medium spice, it's really spicy.
If you say mild, it is still mild. A little spicy, you know.
Yeah. So
but
just
not,
say no spice.
And there will still be some spice.
It will still be spicy.
But not in Bali. You know, here when you have Indian food, it is pretty much medium Western style spice. You will not be drinking 2 liters of water right after you ate. So this is also nice presentation, very good taste. And last but not least, we have a creative salad. It's a kale salad with tempeh, seaweed, sun-dried tomatoes, and a whole bunch of other things. So these things are all very balanced foods. You get all the nutrients you need just from these simple dishes here, and they taste excellent. So you don't have to compromise anything by having a simple and healthy lifestyle. Anything you want to add?
Yep, simple. It doesn't mean to be extravagant. When you say tasty or delicious, it doesn't mean to be very expensive or extravagant. So you can have a tasty food, but simple and
healthy.
Cheap and healthy. Yes,
perfect combination.
Perfect combination.
Yes.
Okay.
So we hope you like this presentation, and we wish you well until next time.